I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Talking to myself, said you gotta go get it. Daylight, don't stay long, don't stay long. Walk into my future, I'll make it everything I intended. Won't be long, won't be long, won't be long. I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low.
So, may pa-letter si Papa Otet.
Thank you, Nak. Heidi, can't wait to say I do. I love you. Alam ko na gusto mo na magkaroon ng little Otet. And with God blessing, for sure, He will give us our little junior. This is our first remembrance to our future little kiddos. I love you both, you and Simona. Thank you, Mi.
Hi, Mami. Itong gift ko sa'yo ay magpapalala na uminom ka palagi ng tubig. Kasi, mas naalala mo pang uminom ng kape kasi uminom ng tubig. Ano?
Pagpalain ka.
Wow! Taray, pink na pink. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, bossing!
So, hi! Congratulations to the first invitation. Yay! Then, kay JB. Kay April. This is iPhone 13 promo. iPhone 13 Pro. Jasmine. Kay Ellen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. More. Thank you kay Apen. And sino pa? Wala na pala. Kay Jonah Bea. Thank you. Wow. Thank you po. I like it. Thank you!
Hindi gumagalaw ang oras sa paligid ko. Pati itong mundo'y tumitigil habang ako'y nasa tabi mo.